So, are you ready to go on a trip with us? Dave and I, he's in a store right now, Dave and I are actually up in coal country in Pennsylvania near the area of Jim Thorpe. Now our first day, which you're going to see today, we actually went to the Martin Guitar Factory. Dave and I actually own a Martin guitar. So this is the factory where our guitar was made, and they've been making guitars since 1836. So it's a really interesting tour and museum and things. So we're going to be watching that. So stay tuned for Thursday and Friday's videos when we go into a coal mine, take a scenic railroad, and go visit a coal mining village. So let's get started with day one. at the Country Inn and Suites in Lehighton, Pennsylvania. So this is the door you come in, and they had cookies in the office, and I can vouch that they were good. And they had a full breakfast in the morning, so we'll take a tour. You come in, and here is the bathroom, and she said it's the largest bathroom in the hotel. And it's really nice, very clean, very modern. So there it is, and then they've got a handicap accessible shower here. So it's real nice. And then they have a little spot to put your luggage and a closet. And there's Dave testing out the bed. And so they've got night tables on both sides, and they have outlets and everything on both sides, which is nice. And then there's a TV, and there's a refrigerator here and a microwave here. And then it's got a full-size desk, but it also has this little pull-out table for the chair over there, or I guess if you wanted to work from the bed. So yeah, and our view out the back is just onto some trees. So there's some kind of business over there, but it's really quiet. So yep, this is where we are overnight. We are at the Bowmantown Diner, and Dave is eating the fried shrimp platter and coleslaw and cucumber salad, and he already ate the regular tossed salad, and we've got rolls, and I got sausage links, which are really, really good, and french fries. I got the cucumber salad, but I don't eat veggies, so I gave it to Dave, so he's eating it for me. So it's really, really yummy.